Today's a really exciting day for us. It's the launch day of the second generation of Growlightengines. Hi guys, my name is Maria and I'm the product manager of Growlightengine. So Growlightengine is a horticultural LED light, and at least we think that it's the best one on the market yet. It's designed and assembled here in Finland with 35 years of experience in the lighting industry. With only good experiences, Growlightengine has been sold to industrial greenhouses and hydroponics here in Finland and also in several other countries. Because our revolutionary engineering, several schools, universities and research institutes have globally chosen to use our product for their research and educational purposes. So today is a really exciting day. It's the launch day of the second generation of Growlightengine. Let's talk a little bit more about the new generation of Growlightengine. So Growlightengines generally feature an optimized spectrum that's specially made for plants and growing plants. You can use it on any plant, and also you can use it on any phase of the growth cycle. So if you have seedlings, fruiting, flowering, any phase, it's for you. As you can see, we're still using the same packaging as always. It's recyclable carton and it's really ecological that way. We don't use any plastic inside, so everything's really eco-friendly. Let's see what's inside. So, the packaging includes the heat pipe, the optic, the LED, then we have the cable, driver, and 4 hanging cables for hooking it up where you want. Let's talk about the most important part, the LED. As you can see, the outlook of the luminaire hasn't changed much, but the most important part, the LED, is now updated and giving even more power than the previous one. Now in the new generation, the technical values have been updated, so that the power is lower, but this doesn't mean that we are getting less light. We are actually getting even more light and even more higher micromole values than with the first generation. With the first generation of Growlightengine, the PPFD levels in 30 centimeters of height are PPFD 1460. Now with the new generation, the PPFD is 1946. So this means that we're getting 30% more from the new generation than the previous one. The new generation is 290 watts. It's IP67, which means it's waterproof and dustproof. The PPF is 511 micromoles, and the PPF efficacy is 1.8. And the PPFD level in 30 centimeters of height is 1946. Now that we have talked about the specs of the new generation, let's go to our warehouse and check it out what it looks like when it's on. Here's the luminaire. As you can see, it hasn't changed, the outlook hasn't changed much, but the most important part of the luminaire, the LED, is the one that is now a bit different. So let's see what it looks like. the LED is now on. As you can see, it's pretty powerful, and the light, the shade of the light is pretty white. At first, it might seem a little pinkish, but in a few minutes, your eyes get used to it, and all the colors start looking pretty good. Here, we have this kind of color chart, and as you can see, under the luminaire, all the colors look pretty much like they're supposed to look. So this means that the quality control and everything with the Growlightengine is super easy. It doesn't change with the HPS luminaires or other pinkish LEDs. The colors change totally, so you can't see the real colors of the plants, so the flowers, leaves, fruits. Now that we have talked about the colors, let's talk a little bit about the optics. We use a really high quality glass lens, which is 120 degrees. It's really important to use optics so the light distribution is smooth and also goes into the right directions. Some grow lights don't even use any optics, or they use window glass as their optics, and this is not really a optimal choice for this. What it means that we have 120 degrees lens is that it goes pretty far away. So when I walk here, you can see that it reaches pretty much until here, the light. Of course, it's not so powerful here, but yeah, when I would put here another one, the light will be crossing, and we will make a really smooth and good quality lighting into your into your setups. Now we're back here, and I have a chance to tell you that I hope you guys are as excited as we are from the launch of the second generation. The pre-sales start today, the 20th, and deliveries will start on week 50. So in 3 weeks from now, we'll start delivering your purchases to you. Also, I will remind you that the first generation is now on sale. The stock is limited, so go buy it as quick as possible because it won't last long. If you have any questions, send us email to help@growlightengine.com, or we are also active on social media, so you can send us questions by Instagram or Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and happy launch day!